All right, this one is for the Honorable Prime Minister of Jamaica and Mr. Andrew, the Honorable Andrew Holness, and the MP of East Kingston. This is a Jamaican repack coming back after 35 years. I'm at Gunboat Beach, right on Airport Road, first beach as soon as you land. And I would like to jump out of the car and come right in and put my foot in a nice clean water. And this place has fallen into disrepair over the years. I'm not sure what the communication is with the MPs and the people of this area, but oh my God, what a waste of prime real estate. I remember as a child, my dad took us here when this place was in its prime. So I'm remembering that was the concession stand where I go buy my soda and bun and cheese crunches. And see, the changing areas are still there, very strong structure, but no proper roofing. I mean, oh my God, this is like just minor money to bring this back to glory. Oh my goodness. I plea to you as a 32 years removed Jamaican that left as a kid and now I'm back as a grown folk, and would love to bring my child back to finish educating him out here and enjoy places like this and make memories with him like I did. Yes, may I talk to your Prime Minister? Cause may I talk to your Prime Minister? Go and post it on him side. Because him have to bring back these places. This is crazy. First place. You see over there, so that used to be a pool that was shaped like a boat. And as a child, I used to be in that pool. And you see where the boys are that separate where we're supposed to swim? It had a bridge. See? Over years, the bridge has disintegrated due to, I guess, wear and tear and many many hurricanes and stuff. We have to bring this back. This is a shame and such a waste. Oh my God, I plead to you, Sir Honorable Andrew Holness, make my childhood memories come alive again and make memories for a 12-year-old son that I'm intending to bring back home to finish up his education in Jamaica, because I've raised two overseas, two girls, and I realized that the foundation of education that I got here in Jamaica is nowhere in the United States. But at the same time, it's not all about business. You have to have the fun in there too. And these are the places that I remember as a child where we did our little weekend get together with my mom and dad and my siblings. And I have great memory of places like this. And it is so disheartening and sad to see this fall in disrepair like this. My favorite spot, the snack bar concession. Make this happen. Thank you.